Welcome to qnawire.
All right, guys, doing problem number 2 of chapter 9 in chemistry central science. So you'll see balloons in problem 2. New. So like if all of these balloons are the same size, what angle is formed between the red one and the green one? So if they're all the same size, then the balloons are going to orient themselves so that the distance between each balloon is equal for all pairs of balloons. And if the distance is equal, that means all the pairs are equal. Sorry, if distance is equal, that means all the angles are equal. Now, a circle you can draw a circle around these balloons, and which is at 360 degrees. So if all of these are equidistant from each other, that means each angle will be 120 degrees. So that's the angle between the red balloon and the green balloon. S. So B. If additional air is added to the blue balloon so it gets larger, will the angle between the red and green balloon increase, decrease, or stay the same? So you can think of these balloons as like electron domains in an atom. So free electron pairs take up more space and push away other molecules. The space between so if we add more air to the blue balloon, the angle between the red and green balloons will decrease. Because that's because if our blue balloon is getting bigger, it's going to take up more space, so that's going to push the red and green balloons away from it and towards one another. So the angle would decrease. So see, which of the following aspects of the VSEPR model is illustrated in part B? 1. The electron domain geometry for 4 electron domains is tetrahedral. 2. The electron domains for non-bonding pairs are larger than those for bonding pairs. 3. The hybridization that corresponds to a trigonal planar electron domain is sp2. And the answer is going to be the second choice. Nice. The domains for non-bonding pairs are larger than those for bonding pairs. So that's the basic setup. If we're increasing if we're increasing the air in the blue balloon, we're basically converting it from a bonding pair to a non-bonding pair. That's basically the concept behind that. That's what's going to cause the angle between the red and green balloons to decrease. Now, let me explain why the other two are wrong. 1, the electron domain geometry for 4 electron domains is tetrahedral. That's completely irrelevant to what we're talking about. We don't have 4 electron domains. We're not dealing with a tetrahedral structure or anything like that. So that's not related. So 3, the hybridization that corresponds to a trigonal planar structure, electron domain structure is sp2. Again, that has nothing to do with what we're talking about. We're not talking about hybridization or anything like that. We're talking about how the size of electron domains is affecting the overall geometry of the molecule. So that's why 2 is correct.